whoop, the Ramadan tent being set, or rather the banquet rolls being set, and I am here today with a new figure, a new face. Can you introduce yourself very quickly?
My name is Dr. Abdishakur, and I'm from the Somali Bravanese Community Centre that was in Muswell Hill that was burnt down last year.
Great. How did you hear about the Ramadan tent?
Actually, one of my students who I've taught before actually is working this project.
No way, who?
There's two. I got Ali Habib and Mohamed.
Nice.
So I was looking at a Twitter blog, and that's how I came across.
Great.
And I thought it was a very fantastic opportunity to bring people from different backgrounds together and to break fast.
So now they've convinced their professor to come down and check if they're doing a good job or not.
I'm happy, yeah. I was very glad I was invited by one of the guest speakers.
Yeah.
And he told me about it, and I was excited, and I was honored to come.
This is cool. Thank you so much.
No worries, thank you.
Bye.